Imagine yourself in this 2011 Nissan Juke S. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: pass-through rear seat, rear defrost, front head airbag, turbocharged, steering wheel audio controls, intermittent wipers, MP3 player, and variable speed intermittent wipers. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.